Hey everybody, Mike here. Yesterday I made a video about my favorite paper airplane design. And I hope you like that. But I was thinking to myself, if there's a younger audience that's interested in making this plane, they may have a younger brother or sister who would like to make one too, but don't quite have the skills yet. And so I have another video. This video is going to accompany that in a two-part series, so that the younger kids have something fun to do too. At least I hope they think it's fun. Now this is going to be a 6-page book that they can fill in with their favorite stories, pictures, whatever. Take an ordinary sheet of paper, 8.5 by 11, fold it the long way. Open it up. Fold it in half the other way. Now come the other way and fold it in half again, taking the edge and bringing it to the crease you just made. Flip it. Make the same fold on the other side. Now this is the one part where mom and dad, older brother or sister may want to step in. I'm not going to assume that they're at an age where they can use scissors. I would think that most would be, but I'm not going to make that assumption. There's one simple cut that needs to be made. You go from the fold to the next crease, just like that. Then you take the paper, fold it in this orientation with the two flaps coming out like this, and then you bring them together. I don't know if you saw that. So here's the whole sheet of paper, folded, and then fold it again. Sharpen the creases a little bit, and I think you may see where I'm going with this. Bring these two sheets together, and then fold it again. And there you have it. The 6-page book. Front cover, page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the back cover. You can fill it in with their favorite stories, draw their favorite picture. So it becomes a two-part project where they make the book and then they fill it in. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and good luck. Bye for now.